Here we have a Mitsubishi L200. This is a 2019 model vehicle, and what we've done, we've changed the factory stereo that came with it with a Kenwood DMX6523DABS. Now this is a 6.8 inch touchscreen stereo. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and obviously normal radio. We've installed it with a installation kit, so it looks like pretty much meant to be, as you can see by the fascia. It's quite a nice fitment to it. The steering wheel controls will still carry on working, and this also has factory reverse camera which we've integrated into, so to give you reverse camera. So let me just turn the car on. So that's the Kenwood firing up. I love this. Look at that. It's like Only Fools and Horses and all the main characters. Absolutely brilliant that is. Love that. So that's normal radio. Go into menu there. You can go into DAB radio quite simply by doing that. So if we go back into normal radio, what we'll do, I'll link my phone up to it just to show you that part of it. So we go into you can go into Bluetooth audio, go on telephone, either one, doesn't matter. Go into settings, phone settings, do that. So searching for a device, all I need to do is go into my Bluetooth settings. That's the stereo, showing it, and yes, I would like to pair up to it. Pair up, allow, connect. That's all now connected. So that is basically Apple CarPlay, completely wireless. As you can see, my phone's not linked up to anything. So it's as you have as normal CarPlay. You have the split screen. You go into that, which has all the compatible apps that is licensed with Apple CarPlay. You go into Spotify, whatever music streaming that you may have, telephone, Waze. So you've got the latest mapping. You can go Google Maps or Apple Maps, or like again, whatever maps is compatible and you may have it. It all works with it. So the other, obviously the other function is the reverse camera, and as you can see, that all works, and that's the factory reverse camera that came with the vehicle to begin with. And steering wheel controls will still work as well. So as far as the user is concerned, they retained all the functionality they had previously, and obviously with a better spec stereo. So this is a Mitsubishi L200, and we installed the Kenwood DMX6523DABS.